if I think about the traditional ways of creating a design from sketch and rendering with Photoshop and so on, I believe I see it coming that the Photoshop might lose its importance. The rendering might lose its importance because the students and young designers are sooner and sooner and quicker go straight from sketch into a 3D model, creating by themselves with a 3D modeling tool. And then the 3D model, then you render this one. You put this in an animation, in a rendering, using all sorts of clever, smart softwares we have nowadays, easy to use. And you get a photorealistic image from your 3D model. And of course, the huge advantage is you can put it in every perspective. So there's no doubt that building a 3D model is a huge advantage for the designer, for the young designer. The sketch will not disappear. I'm convinced the sketch will remain as probably the most important way to find your design, to find the right idea, to visualize your idea, and also to communicate your idea with your colleague or with your boss. And to talk about your idea, you still need the sketch. And on the paper with a pen, this ability is also a gift and talent that we as a designer should not lose, because we are really good in that, to explain our ideas with a few lines. I'm also convinced that really good designs, strong designs, you can sketch them with a few lines. An iconic design is easy to sketch. It's difficult to find and to design, but it's actually easy to sketch. And so if you draw cars and if you look for the right styling, for the right proportion, I 100% believe in pen and paper. But once the idea is there, young designers should go probably straight into 3D, straight into modeling the idea, trying it out in 3D, turning it around, checking it from different angles, and rendering it out. And then from then on, it's a model. And that is enabling the designer to be really fast and really professional, because when he builds the model in 3D, he needs to understand the geometry of it. He needs to understand proportion better. How does side and front and rear, how does all this work together? But the sketching ability is essential, and it will remain.